Every great story begins with the world, but how do you build yours? Building one that feels alive? That takes more than maps and names. It takes a design philosophy that breathes life into every detail. Welcome to Worlds Within, a channel dedicated to helping you create immersive worlds for your stories and games. Here, we explore the art and craft of world building in a way that's practical, inspiring, and deeply creative. These tutorials frame world building through 4 different concepts, each tailored to the topic at hand. Cornerstone is the foundation every idea rests on, the defining principle of the topic. Designer's Doctrine dives into the reasoning behind creative choices and their ripple effects in the world. Lore Lens shows how that principle lives in a world through myth and culture. And Rulecraft reveals the systems that give your world structure and consequence. But this isn't just a channel, it's a guild. Join live World Builder roundtables with industry professionals every few months. Take part in community Q&A sessions where your questions guide the conversation. Connect with other world builders in our Discord hub, where you can share ideas, get feedback, and grow together. Patreon unlocks monthly prompts, lore fragments, templates, early access to videos, and recognition in every episode. Subscribe and join the guild. Let's build worlds together.